Welcome to the next tutorial in the series Selenium for Beginners. Today we will see the steps to install Java. The first step is to check whether Java is already installed in your system. For that, we'll open the command prompt and type java-version. If we get this message, then Java is not already installed in the system. So now, the first step is to go to this website. So I've already opened this website in here and click on JDK download. Now you can download the JDK according to your operating system. Here, I'll be downloading the Windows 64 installer. Check on this checkbox and click on download. Now since I've already downloaded, I will cancel this. Going to the downloads folder, I'll double click on this application. It's preparing to install. You can change the location if you want to, but I'll be continuing with the same location. Click on close. Now we have installed Java in our machine. Let's check the response after we have installed Java. Yes, it's giving you the version number. So Java is installed in your system. Now we'll have to set the environment variables for Java path. Click on environment variables, double click on path. So in my case, the path is already added. But if you do not have the path in the system variable, what you can do is just click on new, click on browse and put the path of the bin folder inside JDK. Just click on bin, click on OK. Click on OK. So yeah, this is the process of installing Java in your machine. Now we will see how to install the Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE is widely used as integrated development environment for various applications. The first step is to visit this website and click on download. So we have just downloaded the Eclipse installer. Just double click on it. This window would appear. You have to select Eclipse IDE for Java developers and click on install. Accept the agreement. So now it has finished installing. Just click on launch. Here you can use the default workspace or you can create a new workspace for yourself. So Eclipse IDE has launched. We can get all the tutorials or an overview, samples, etc. over here. Or we can open an existing file or import existing projects. For now, we'll click on create a new Java project. We can enter any project name like Selenium project. Click on finish. Click on create. Yes. So now it has opened the workspace where we would be typing some code to execute. From the next tutorial, you will learn how to practically write Selenium WebDriver codes and also execute it using a browser and a driver. Thank you.